You know that girl? The one who wakes up glowing, smells like heaven, and has her life together before 9 a.m.? The one who seems to float through her mornings like she's in her own movie. Glowing skin, fresh hair, calm energy, coffee in hand, ready for anything? Here's the secret. It's not about money and it's not about perfection. It's about intention. And today, I'm showing you exactly how to start your mornings like that girl without needing a mansion, a personal chef, or a $200 skincare serum. The first step? I protect my mornings from chaos. When my alarm goes off, I don't start scrolling. I give myself at least the first 30 minutes with no social media, no notifications, no one else's opinions flooding my head. Because here's the truth, how you start your morning sets the tone for your entire day. If I fill my head with the internet's noise before I've even had water, I've already lost control of the day. Speaking of water, hydration comes before anything else. The first thing I do is drink a full glass, sometimes with lemon if I want a little detox kick. Your skin, your digestion, your energy, they all depend on it. And the glow? It starts from the inside. Then I make my bed. Not for Instagram, not because it's pretty, but because it's proof to myself that I can finish something I start. It's the first win of the day, and it takes less than 2 minutes. From there, I go straight into my skincare routine, cleanse, serum, moisturizer, and always sunscreen, even if I'm staying indoors. That glow people think is magic, it's really just consistency. You don't need a 12-step routine, you just need to commit to showing up for your skin every single day. I like to get my body moving early, even if it's just 10 minutes of stretching or yoga. Movement wakes up more than just your muscles, it wakes up your mind. It changes the way you carry yourself for the rest of the day. You stand taller, walk with more intention, and feel like you're ready for anything. Then comes my shower. For me, it's more than just getting clean, it's my reset button. I pick scents that make me feel expensive, even if they're from the drugstore. Because smelling good first thing in the morning isn't about impressing anyone else. It's about starting the day feeling like you. After I'm dry, I moisturize like my skin is a luxury item. I layer my scents so they last, lotion first, then body spray, then perfume on my pulse points. And yes, I wear perfume before breakfast. Why wait for a special occasion to feel amazing? Once I'm fresh, I sit down with my planner and map out my day. I've learned that if I don't plan it, life will plan it for me, and usually, that plan involves chaos. I set 3 main priorities so I know exactly what needs to be done before I even touch my phone. Then I get dressed in something that makes me feel like the best version of myself. Not the perfect outfit for social media, but the outfit that makes me feel confident, put together, and ready to take on the day. Because that girl isn't about the clothes, it's about the energy you carry in them. By the time I'm done, it's not even about the makeup or the hair or the outfit. It's about the fact that I've already taken time to care for myself before the world asked anything of me. And that's the real glow-up, confidence. Confidence is the invisible perfume that makes people notice you, even before you say a word. Being that girl isn't about perfection, and it's not about copying someone else's routine. It's about showing up for yourself every single morning in big and small ways until it becomes second nature. And when you start doing that, the glow, the real, lasting glow takes care of itself.